Have you opened Reddit on your phone only to find the chat is working? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, but the fix is usually simple once you know where to look. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, check your app version. Outdated Reddit apps can cause chat failures. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and update to the latest version. After updating, restart the app and see if chat works. Next, clear the cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Reddit Storage Clear Cache. On iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear temporary data. Clearing cache often resolves glitches that prevent chat from loading. Check your internet connection. Slow or unstable networks can block Reddit chat from functioning. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. If chat works on one connection, but not the other, the problem is likely your network. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's a permanent bug. Reddit chat issues are usually temporary and related to updates, cache, or connectivity. Another tip, log out and log back in. Sometimes your session may be corrupted and signing back in resets it. Also, check if you are blocked from chatting by another user or restricted in certain subreddits, which can make the chat appear broken. If all else fails, Reddit support and community forums are helpful. You can report the issue through the app, and sometimes server-side problems are the culprit. In conclusion, Reddit chat not working on mobile is frustrating, but most issues are easy to fix by updating the app, clearing cache, checking your network, or logging back in. Follow these steps, and your chat should be back up in no time. Subscribe for more Reddit tips, fixes, and tricks to make your mobile experience smoother.